In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download Google Play Store on your PC or laptop in just a few seconds. And I will also show you how you can download Play Store apps directly on your PC. So let's begin. The first thing you're gonna do is open your Chrome browser, then go here to Google Apps and search for the Play Store. Now here you need to click the three dots at the top right, then save and share and create a shortcut. You can change the name if you want. I would leave it like Google Play Store. Create it. And now we have our Play Store in our desktop. So to open it, you can double click it. And now let's try installing apps. So let's go and search for any app. For example, I will try with the calculator. Let's try this one. You need to right click it and copy the link address. Then go to this website called APK Pure. Paste the link and search it. Now let's download it and click this download button. So that's basically it. This way, you now have the APK of any Google Play Store application you want. And now if you want to open it, you will need to install an emulator and import the APK you just downloaded. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.